Apollo 11 slows down and goes into orbit around the moon. The bright blue planet of Earth now lies 238,000 miles beyond the lunar horizon. Astronauts Armstrong and Aldrin, now in the lunar module, separate from the command module. Astronaut Collins remains behind. Preparation for the lunar module descent to the moon now begins. To protect against any possible lunar contamination, the astronauts put on airtight special garments before coming aboard the rescue ship. They transferred directly from the helicopter to a mobile quarantine van, in which they would be flown back to the Manned Spacecraft Center in Houston, Texas.
Now, Pete Conrad collected a preliminary geological sample.
I have the decided impression I don't want to move too rapidly, but I can walk quite well. Seems a little weird, I'll tell you. Don't think you're going to steam around here quite as fast as you thought you were. Hey, Al, you can work out here all day. Just take your time.
In space, on Earth, they searched for a solution. Then, on the 6th try,
I believe I got a hard knock, Houston.
as they coasted to the moon, the crew brought the probe inside the spacecraft for examination. On Earth, the probe was tested and retested, for we had to be sure that the probe would work for the most critical docking, as Shepard and Mitchell returned from the lunar surface. 33 and a half hours after they landed, Alan Shepard and Edgar Mitchell lifted off in the silent vacuum of the moon.
Gas engine is armed. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Officially have ignition. What a liftoff. And liftoff. Roger, ignition. Boom. Switch over. 10 seconds. Roger. Hey, baby. Switch over is good.
Then a demonstration of a classic experiment.
Well, in my left hand, I have a feather. In my right hand, a hammer. And I guess one of the reasons we got here today was because of a gentleman named Galileo a long time ago who made a rather significant discovery about falling objects in gravity fields. And we thought that where would be a better place to confirm his findings than on the moon. And so we thought we'd try it here for you. The feather happens to be appropriately a falcon feather for our falcon. And I'll drop the two of them here, and hopefully they'll hit the ground at the same time. How about that? Proves that Mr. Galileo was correct in his findings.
Young parked the rover, then moved out to join Duke, enter the lunar module, and prepare for liftoff.
Boy, Houston, the beauty of this place is just absolutely incredible.
Smile. FAO. Don't be mad. We'll get it up there. See how nice and leisurely it's been? That's the way it should be, getting ready for ascent.
10 seconds. What a ride, what a ride.
With Duke acting as photographer and Young as driver, they put the rover through a full test.
Man, you are really bouncing. Is he on the ground at all? That's 10 kilometers. Man, I'll tell you, Indy's never seen a driver like this. Okay, when he hits the craters and starts bouncing, it's when he gets his rooster tail. He makes sharp turns.
After unloading the rover from its storage bay in the lunar module, they planted the flag.
Hey, John, this is perfect with the limb and the rover and you and Stone Mountain. and the old flag. Come on out here and give me a salute. Big Navy salute. Off the ground, one more. There we go. Good.
They had to leave Shorty Crater and its orange soil and push on. Time, the enemy of the lunar investigator on the moon and on Earth.
I can't believe we sampled the whole. I can't believe we sampled the whole thing right on.
The precious minutes had run out. Return to the rover, drive back to the Challenger, close out EVA-2.
We'd like you to leave immediately. Okay. My golly, this time goes fast.
They would have one task before they got to work exploring. The previous day, they had broken a rear fender of the rover. The dust thrown up was causing trouble. Apollo 16 commander John Young had worked that night in a pressure suit on a way to fix the fender. On the moon, the astronauts put it together. The fender section formed from a lunar map, molded with tape, then held in place with clamps from the Lunar Module Telescope. It was a repair that would last the remainder of the mission.